Hello, I'm Yuki. This is Japanese lessons for beginners. Today, I will explain what kind of language is Japanese. I guess Japanese is very different from your mother language. So it's much easier to know overview at first. Now I explain 7 features of Japanese. So, どうぞ。
ギガ日本語
Number 1. Word order. In English, I love you. But in Japanese, I, you, love. The order is different. So in English, I eat apple, but in Japanese, I, apple, eat, like this. Number 2. Particle. Japanese need a particle to connect each words. I, you, love. In Japanese, I, wa, you, ga, love. So particle is like a glue. Japanese have a many particle. Each particle have a meanings. So it's a little bit difficult. But sometimes you can omit it in a conversation. Number 3. Inflection. In Japanese, word change and meaning also change. For example, in Japanese, love or like is suki, and I don't love or I don't like is suki janai. Past I liked, suki datta. The girl I like, sukina girl. For change the meaning, back of the word will change. In addition, modification is from front to back, like a sukina girl, from front to back. Another example, good sake, ii sake, good taste sushi, oishii sushi, like this. Number 4. Omit. In Japanese, I love you is I wa you ga suki. But in Japanese, many times subject is omitted. So, you ga suki. Further, in Japanese, you, see, he, it. This kind of stuff, you don't use it mostly. So, I love you is just love. Suki is enough. Very, very short. Therefore, it's very important to read the context. I'm with her eating in a nice restaurant and she says suki. Maybe she likes me, but maybe she likes that juicy steak she's eating. Even it's possible she likes my best friend. Japanese is difficult. Life is also difficult. Speaking of context, this is not a grammar but culture. I ask her, do you want to go out with me? And she says, 大丈夫, no problem. That's actually problem. Because 大丈夫 sometimes means, yes, I want to go out. But sometimes means, no, I don't want to go out. Japanese people like indirect way when they say no. So, look at her face and listen her voice carefully and feel atmosphere. If she says happily, 大丈夫, it means I want to go. But if she says 大丈夫, it means no. So, depends on the context. Number 5. Honorific. In Japanese, depends on the age or relationship, you change the word. If you want to say I love you, if she's younger than you or same age, you just say suki. But the person you love is older than you or your boss, you have to say suki desu. I've never met before, but if you fall in love with princess, I think you have to say お慕いしております. Japanese have many honorific words. When you go travel to Japan and staff of the restaurant or hotel, many times use it. Unfortunately, if you ask them, I cannot understand honorific words, please use the casual form, few people can do it. Speak easily is also need skills. Number 6, accent. English is stress accent like a drum. English pronounces pretty. Japanese is pitch accent, kawaii. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si, do. Do, re, do. Kawaii. Japanese just have a low and high, not like a Chinese. Ma. Japanese doesn't have like this. There's a good news. You don't have to anxious accent too much because in Tokyo, thank you is arigato, but in Nagoya is arigato. In Osaka, arigato. In Kagoshima, arigato. So, different place, different accent. Mostly your accent is not correct, but still they can understand. So, don't anxious too much. Number 7, character. Japanese have 3 characters, kanji, hiragana, katakana. Kanji describe meaning, hiragana and katakana describe pronunciation. For example, kanji, ushi means cow, and gyuniku means beef. Gyunyu means milk. Kanji sometimes same character but different pronunciation. Kanji looks quite difficult, right? But still I recommend you to remember some important one. If you remember kanji, in a restaurant you can guess a lot. So you should remember this beef or pork, chicken, fish, and of course sake, alcohol. Hiragana and katakana describe a pronunciation. Most of them made from consonant and vowel. Japanese have a 5 vowel, a, I, U, E, O. So consonant vowel together. For example, suki, su is made from S and U. Ki is made from K and E. You can write down one word 2 ways. So what is the difference? Usually hiragana is used for write Japanese word. For example, sushi or sakura. Katakana is used for write foreign words. For example, smartphone is in Japanese sumaho. Hamburger is hamburger. Thank you for watching. Now, do you know what kind of language is Japanese? Later, I'm planning to make another video for learn Japanese as simple and easy as possible with many omit and spoken language. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.